Welcome to your guide on caring for your Tesla's touchscreen. Today, we'll cover cleaning, screen protectors, and how to prevent burn-in, ensuring your display stays pristine. Tesla touchscreens are large format LCDs powered by NVIDIA GPUs, running on a custom OS for optimal performance. Let's dive in. Cleaning your Tesla touchscreen properly helps maintain its clarity and longevity. Let's explore the do's and don'ts of screen care. Do use a soft microfiber cloth for cleaning. This material is gentle and won't scratch your Tesla's touchscreen. Do dampen your cloth with distilled water or a 70% isopropyl alcohol solution. Distilled water avoids residue, while IPA provides gentle disinfection. Don't spray cleaning solution directly onto the Tesla screen. This could allow liquid to enter the display and cause damage. Don't use abrasive materials like paper towels or rough cloths. These can scratch your Tesla's touchscreen and reduce its clarity over time. Regular cleaning with these proper methods will keep your Tesla touchscreen spotless and maintain its appearance for years to come. Screen protectors are thin films or glass overlays that guard against scratches and UV damage. Tesla offers official tempered glass protectors with anti-fingerprint coatings. These are designed for Tesla's curved screens and even have self-healing properties, ensuring longevity. Burn-in is a form of image persistence that occurs when static elements, such as navigation icons, remain in the same position on the screen for extended periods. This creates a faint, permanent shadow that can be distracting and affect the display quality. Tesla touchscreens, like the one shown here displaying navigation and entertainment, are particularly susceptible to burn-in because they often run continuously, especially during full self-driving use. Burn-in matters because it can degrade the user experience and the longevity of the expensive touchscreen. While it's exacerbated by around-the-clock use, Tesla has made significant progress in addressing this issue. Through software optimizations like automatic pixel shifting and regular firmware updates, Tesla has reduced reported burn-in cases significantly, making their screens more reliable for long-term use. Prevention is key to avoiding burn-in on your Tesla touchscreen. Start by enabling Tesla's screensaver mode, which automatically cycles through wallpapers to prevent static images from burning into the display. Next, avoid keeping your screen at high brightness for extended periods. Tesla's systems include automatic dimming features that help reduce pixel wear over time. Tesla incorporates OLED-like pixel shifting technology. This subtly repositions pixels on the screen to evenly distribute wear and prevent burn-in patterns. Always keep your Tesla software updated. Firmware updates often include new burn-in prevention measures and improved screen health algorithms. Finally, use Tesla's official app for screen health diagnostics. It provides real-time checks and can alert you to potential burn-in issues before they become severe. Use Tesla's official app for screen health diagnostics. It checks for burn-in and pixel health issues. Third-party apps like TeslaScope provide real-time burn-in checks. They monitor screen conditions and alert you to potential issues. Regularly update your Tesla's firmware. Tesla frequently releases updates with screen health improvements, including burn-in mitigation features like pixel cycling and automatic dimming algorithms. These diagnostics help detect issues like burn-in, shown here as dark spots on the screen. Let's examine real-world case studies. In 2024, a Model S owner experienced severe burn-in after 2 years of heavy full self-driving use. After visiting a Tesla service center for a firmware patch and new protector installation, the screen recovered 80% of its visibility. Early Cybertruck adopters in 2024 reported that the vehicle's reinforced touchscreen handles off-road vibrations exceptionally well. After 10,000 miles, only minor scratches were observed. Tesla's official data indicates a 25% lower failure rate in harsh environments compared to previous models. In 2023, Tesla issued a recall for 50,000 Model Y vehicles affected by premature burn-in due to a manufacturing defect. Owners received free screen protectors and software updates, showcasing Tesla's proactive approach to addressing user concerns. The future of Tesla touchscreens looks promising, with several exciting developments on the horizon. Self-healing screen protectors are emerging, using nanotechnology to automatically repair minor scratches and maintain screen clarity over time. AI-driven burn-in detection is coming with Tesla's V14 software updates, featuring automatic pixel cycling and wear distribution to prevent image persistence. OLED display adoption is expected in future Tesla models, offering superior contrast and significantly reduced burn-in risk compared to current LCD screens. Graphene coatings may provide self-cleaning properties, reducing the need for manual screen maintenance and protecting against environmental factors. By following these maintenance tips and keeping your Tesla updated, you'll ensure your touchscreen remains in excellent condition for many years to come.